The big tanks take something over 6 minutes to cross TNT-made craters of the so-called deliberate type. For the smaller, hasty craters, they need only 2 minutes. A leapfrog advance is practiced by 2 tank teams. First, Team 1 moves forward under covering fire from Team 2. When the first team has captured high ground, it swings its guns around to protect Team 2, and the covering process is reversed. Here, Team 1, having seized the protective position, signals to Team 2 that they can come forward. Besides its own maneuvers, the 2nd Armored plays an important part in joint Allied exercises. Its armored weight, a quiet warning to the Kremlin that democracy will brook no aggression in Western Europe. The tanks of the armored force are supplemented by self-propelled big guns and other vehicles built on similar principles of design. Included in this group are amphibious personnel carriers and tracked motor carriages which may mount machine guns or anti-aircraft guns. A well-known World War II vehicle was the amphibious Weasel, now being replaced by the more powerful Otter, which can maintain a land speed of 30 miles an hour and carry twice the cargo. But the heart of the armored force is still the tank. Under present Army structure, besides the mechanized armored divisions, there are tank components assigned to all infantry forces. 1 tank battalion per division, and a tank company for every infantry regiment. The division normally has 9 light tanks and 140 mediums. These tank models are being constantly improved by the Army's Ordnance Corps. Latest entry in the lightweight class is the 26-ton Walker Bulldog. Replacing the Chaffee used early in Korea, the Walker can speed 40 miles an hour and climb a 60% slope. In the medium class, America now has the Patton 48, first completely new medium model designed and built since the end of the war. This Ordnance and Chrysler designed vehicle, with its 810 horsepower engine, combines the best features of the Sherman, Pershing, and Patton 46. Like the earlier post-war medium tanks, the M48 has a 90-millimeter gun, but it is superior to its predecessors in virtually every other respect. Its high-velocity big gun has a quick-change gun tube. Another innovation is an extra 50 caliber machine gun for the use of the tank commander, which can be aimed, fired, and reloaded from inside the tank. The sloping armor and low silhouette present a difficult target to the enemy. The elliptical shape of the hull and turret is designed to deflect shells. A redesigned interior provides more fighting room, better vision, and a reduced crew of 4 men. With its wider and more powerful treads, the Patton 48 can roar up swiftly from a deep ditch. Thorough waterproofing enables it to take a 4-foot water hazard and come out fighting. But even with these formidable new weapons, the Army does not rest on its laurels. It keeps pace with the latest scientific developments in the laboratories of the government and of private industry through its design service, Army Ordnance. Always the search goes forward for better metals, more ingenious combinations of firepower, mobility, and protection. For as long as the threat of aggression persists in the world, the armored force, triumphant in Europe, doubly tested in the hills of Korea, stands ready in defense of liberty.
Improvements in both tank development and tank warfare are going on continually. Our Army and American industry is making certain that the armored force will continue to possess the up-to-date mobile firepower that has proven so successful in World War II and in Korea. Now, this is Sergeant Stuart Queen inviting you to be with us next week for another story in the big picture.
The Big Picture is a weekly television report to the nation on the activities of the Army at home and overseas. Produced by the Signal Corps Pictorial Center. Presented by the U.S. Army in cooperation with this station. You can be an important part of the big picture. You can proudly serve with the best equipped, the best trained, the best fighting team in the world today, the United States Army.